Bird protection on power lines is no longer about awareness. It's about implementation. Every year, millions of birds collide with power lines, resulting in high numbers of fatalities. The focus is now on innovative solutions that can be integrated into existing infrastructure in a cost-effective way, while requiring minimal human resources, energy consumption, and installation time. Introducing DeltaLight, an autonomous, active, visual signaling bird diverter device that can be mounted on power lines, representing a generational shift in the current market of bird diverters. Developed by Deák Delta Limited, it's a new generation solution offering improved visibility and enhanced safety for birds across transmission lines. Its special design ensures a secure grip without damaging the power line and prevents energy loss along the conductor. It operates with a continuously pulsing LED, powered by energy harvested from the electric field around the wire. The 385 to 420 nanometer light is highly visible to birds without creating unnecessary light pollution. The UV-stable, wind and weather-resistant housing ensures long-lasting performance and reliability in all outdoor conditions. The perforated wing creates a clear daytime silhouette while reducing air resistance, ensuring stable performance in changing weather. Quick and easy to install or remove. Drone-assisted deployment allows safe installation, even on live power lines. A PV-powered version is available for ground wires. It offers the same core features, powered by solar energy, and operates up to 80 hours on a single charge. Our company, Deák Delta Limited, was founded in 1997. For more than a decade, research and development have been our main focus. Our R&D activities span various fields, including engineering, plastics, and natural sciences. Our R&D center is located at our Szeged site, where a high-quality infrastructure, modern machinery, and a 3D printing park support our daily work to meet development needs as quickly as possible. Our primary objective with DeltaLight is to help preserve bird populations while enabling power companies to operate efficiently and in an environmentally responsible manner. In doing so, we aim to brighten the future for both birds and power infrastructure. Are you seeking a more innovative, truly efficient, long-term solution for an affordable price? Choose DeltaLight. To learn more, visit our website or reach out to our team.